Hey yo, PC Monk here with another Bitcoin video. Let's jump into it. This is a disclaimer that says everything in this channel, everything I say is for educational purpose only. There's no financial advice here. No financial advice. Educational purpose only. Do everything at your own risk. I've been losing a lot. I just lost another 35 right now as I'm talking to you guys. I lost cumulatively around 235 in the past week. Um, and that happened yesterday. I made some on it, but then I give it all back. Just again and again, this has been happening to me a lot. Unfortunately, I'm not in a good situation emotionally and financially due to these losses. Um, but what I think now is different. I think we still gonna go up. I think over the 1 hour you could see there's a structure forming. We're getting a higher high, and if this holds around here, it's gonna be a lower a higher low, a higher high, and a higher low. So we were basically doing a broadening wedge, if you want to name it, a rising broadening wedge. If you guys know how to draw it, it's something like this. We've seen this on 15 on when we were at 15K too. I mean, this is like a normal pattern for upside movement. So if this is what it is, if this is a rising wedge, if this is planning to go upside, we have to hold around here. Okay, we have to hold around here. Then we have to gain the weekly, which we try to hold. Keep in mind, this is the beginning of the week. So we could gain the weekly for the beginning of the week, hold, push higher. Now this could go all the way to 110, 100, higher, basically. And then we could come back lower again to make another one of these, because usually they move in three. Now this is if what I'm thinking is right, all right? Then we're going to come back to make another higher low after we made a higher high. Now, this is one scenario that I have towards the upside, but basically you need to hold the weekly high and you need to be above this 4 hour. As soon as you lose this 4 hour, I'll be turning bearish. Maybe that's wrong, maybe that's not wrong, but when we hit here, I'll be looking for it. If it gets rejected anywhere around here, then I'll short for a move down to this area, which could happen, which could happen. It's just, the mentality after losing a lot for a while is it's just not there yet. I mean, struggling mentality, everything, everything. Anyhow, but you gotta grind, right? So it's not like my TA is wrong. I just don't wait for it to even play out. I just do something stupid, like I long not C and for example XRP, right? When I wake up. So yeah, that's basically it on the chart. There's nothing else to add. Even if you take a look at the daily is trying to hold this candle. I mean, this was your structure towards upside, something like a pennant. If you guys know what a pennant is, I'm not gonna draw it. We hold the pennant, we push it, we broke the high, we made a new high. Now it's retesting the high candle, which is a daily candle, which was on Sunday. So you might even completely come back down, wash the low side, and then go back up. You could come here and then pick it back up. That is absolutely possible. We really don't know what's going to happen, but what we're saying is when we lose the pink line, which is this line, we got to go for a low. So that's how I see it. Um, that is on the chart basically. We can talk about the liquidation levels. So the liquidation levels, anything towards upside is above 107 and above. Nothing really below matters that much. Now, obviously, around 102, there is again a lot of liquidity. We built this liquidity right around here when we were consolidating. This was the first pump. We came back down. We cleared a lot of liquidity here when there was some liquidity, right? Then we did this high. Now this high kind of cleared a lot of asks as well. So a lot of asks got triggered. We talk about it once we go into the large orders. So this is in 3 days. So if you want to go up, we're aiming for 107, right? At least that's what the liquidation level is telling me. All right. Now, about this is another model, model number 2, which you could see there's not much to the downside, but to the upside, there's bigger liquidations like stacked on top of each other. Now this is a custom liquidation model 3. I've moved it to 8, 0.8 on a 3-day. As you could see here, on a 3-day we got interesting stuff at 110 and some more interesting stuff around 107, 109. And obviously this area is so obvious on every liquidation model. That's because I think a lot of people long around here, and those people that long around here, they're waiting for a bigger move. In my opinion, we're not gonna lose the momentum towards the upside just yet. Okay, maybe we linger it a little bit more, maybe we wait a little bit more, but overall it's gonna be towards upside. Now, if this is the large order, I could just put it in the 1 hour so it's more clear this way. Now you could see some of these large orders that we were talking about got hit on this move, right? We got a 106 here. At 106, we got 1.62 million that were filled. Towards upside, if you take a look at it from 107 towards 1010, there's a huge stack. Like if I just analyze these orders, on perpetual, there's around 57 million only, I'm sorry, only on spot, 57 million on Binance, another 42 million on Coinbase. So cumulatively, you're looking at what, 100 million, give or take 100 million to be sold around here, okay, from 107 to 110. Now, when this gonna happen? Well, that depends on BTC, but the structure, everything is there. It's pointing towards upside. Now, this was spot orders. Now, let me remove these spot orders. Let's take a look at the perpetuals. Now, you could see bigger perpetuals are getting filled as we're going up. So, on the first move, we filled a 43 million worth of sales. We filled another 1 million with that 43 million, and there's another 40 million. Yeah, that right there. Another 40 million was sold. So if we want to just take a look at how much we sold here right now, on perpetual we sold around 274 only on Binance. All right. Now if I continue up to around 110, it's gonna be 428 million worth of asks only on Binance. Only on Binance. So towards downside, we do have some bids. Okay, if I let's not ignore those. We do have some bids, right? We could see there've been, a lot around here, but there's more towards upside, in my opinion, than towards downside. There are actually longs around where we are, around a lot of longs around where we are, stacked longs. Let's see how much is that actually worth? 39 million, right where we are right now, stacked long. So they could be just supporting the price, not letting it come back down, or they could be new orders. Obviously, they're new orders, but depends on why they're there. Now I'm gonna put it back to spot. Spot's still a lot here. Now, the last but not least is the funding rate. BTC kind of looks okay on it, right? Now, one thing I did not mention is the Forex calendar. We have to see what's going on with the news today. So today is going to be Monday. So on Monday, nothing really is happening. Canada has bank holiday and everything else is just normal. Now on Tuesday, we again don't have anything, and then we go on Wednesday, nothing. So Wednesday, nothing. Tuesday, nothing. Thursday, there's only Thursday that's gonna be with some news. So this week is gonna be like a week that if there's no important news coming, it could be just the play of BTC itself. But once again, if you even take a look at USDT, right? Because the USDT is trying to come back up. It's doing like a bow move. I don't know how to say it. Uh, Now once if it wants to go back up, so it has to regain the top, which is this, right? Let me just mark it on the daily. It's even a daily. We could go on a 4 hour and talk about it. So we have to gain this, right? If it gains this, then the game is on, right? We could wake up clear these, especially this one, and then come back down. That could be part of Monday. So Monday move is always a fake, not always, most of the time it's a fake move. Could be a fake move. Let me just rephrase that. And if it's a fake move, we could USDT could come back up. So we get a move down on every coin, and then that happened. To my eyes, this week is an up week, although I just lost a lot. And unfortunately, that really crushes me, right? Anyhow, guys, thank you guys for watching. I don't think I missed anything. There's the footprint, which I don't really see a use right now talking about it. And at the end, I'll appreciate you guys if you guys join my stream. If I stream, I really don't know. It depends on my emotional state. And support me any way you can. Exclamation mark Wix. Use my referral link and things like that. And again, thank you guys for watching. I think we're gonna go up today. I think this week is gonna be an up week, all the way up to 110 minimum. We'll see what happens. If we lose this pink line, I'll be saying we're gonna go here. If we lose this area, which is 99, 100, 100,000, then I think we're gonna go down and the upside is over. Thank you guys for watching again. Stay safe, stay green, and stay healthy. The most important thing. Ciao.